Welcome to Cloudhill. Today we have a quick tip for you and it's to do with audio. Have you ever been recording external audio and then when you've been syncing it up in Premiere, it's ever so slightly out? It might sound a little bit like this.
So welcome.
Sorry. Now, sometimes when you're using the sync in Premiere, it doesn't always match everything up, and you'll see where we used our clap to sync our audio, it's ever so slightly out. But when you try and move it, Premiere only lets you move a frame at a time, and it's moving either side of the claps. So therefore, it's not lining up properly. Well, there's a simple solution to that. So hover over your timeline, right click and hit show time units. Now you'll have a lot more scope to move your audio left and right. So you can do this simply by hitting Control or Command on a Mac and then using your left and right arrows, or you can use your mouse, but it will move very, very slowly. To speed things up a little bit, if you hit Command Shift, you can now use your arrows and it will move it a little bit quicker. So it won't take too long to move these really short spaces. And now you can line your audio up perfectly with your clap, spike, clapperboard or whatever you've used, and you'll have your audio perfectly synced.
So welcome.
Sorry. I hope you found that useful. Please like and subscribe for more useful tips on both editing, filmmaking, and all those sorts of things. And we'll see you in the next video.